good evening, one and all present here. My name is Sujita Mehrotra, and today's GT topic is caste-based reservation and impediment to a casteless society. Now, I'm completely agree with this topic because I think reservation is totally. I'm against reservation because if we talk about the equality, so there is give the opportunity to all the caste rather than a particular caste. And in fact, in the education field, we can support all the caste rather than a particular caste. If we remove the casteism system or if we promote the backward caste, there is also other ways to promote them rather than a single on a education sector. So I think I'm completely
Rishita, how do you
against
feel
this.
like if there is a reservation on the basis of household income? What your say on this? Because I support like there should be a reservation system on basis of household income, and it should be properly verified by a private firm that household income is less than around we can say like 50,000. So the
Yes, I
reservation
agree
can
with
be
Saurabh. As there are many families, caste system was reservation was organized because there are many families which are not having proper resources to get educated. So they need resources as well
right.
as they are in those areas which does not support education. So I think reservation on the basis of economic class is really important.
Right, and
Yeah,
it
agreeing to
it
Mahima's
shouldn't
point,
be
I will bolo bolo.
yeah.
I personally think that reservation should be given to the needy people, but at the same time, the people who belongs to reserved caste but are financially strong enough should be stopped to enjoy the benefits of reservation. Because many people who belongs to general category are not financially strong enough to support the education of their children. Financially weak people should only enjoy the benefit of reservation. That's my perspective.
Taking your point also, I would like to say one thing. How you gonna verify that the person is having a lower income? Because you have seen a scholarship in colleges, like many people who has high income, household income, also avail this scholarship, but many of them who do not have, they are not being verified. So my point is just like there should be a private channel who should verify
Saurabh,
these.
scholarship,
Yeah,
giving scholarship is another thing, and reserving some amount of seats for scheduled caste tribes and OBC caste is another thing. Scholarship is
No,
given on the basic
I was
merit.
saying like if the reservation
if
is
we talk
given on the
about the
basis of
backward.
household income.
Yes, yes. And
on-
if
I
we
want to
talk
add
about
one
the
point.
backward or household income, and there is one point as well, those parents who are working in a defense field, they are also get some beneficial. This is also a considerable point. We can also consider this rather than a particular caste reservation. These things, and like Saurabh said, according to the household income, and give privilege to them, and those parents working in a defense also give privilege to them rather than a caste basis.
Adding on this point,
I'd
I would
like
like to add that in our first year, we all have studied the subject OB organization behavior. In that, there is a phrase which is known as that there should be right people at the right place. And I think, according to me, that this phrase is not fulfilled by the caste reservation because a person who is skillful and has talent is not occupied at the seat rather than a person who is less skillful and talented is occupied on the seat. So somehow it creates a loophole in the organization and which can be seen in the long term.
I have one point.
Basically, after independence,
I
the
have one point
protection
in
which was
in
granted in terms of reservation in jobs and educational institute to the economically backward class, and also to lower caste who have been discriminated from time immemorial and had a negative impact. Even where
I
intercaste
think
marriage takes place and take a
I think each
proportion.
and everyone is agreeing on this topic which is given to us. So there is
I
no
want to
opposing.
add one point in opposite of us that we have
Okay.
misunderstood reservation system as in reservation system we feel that our competition is OBC and all we general sorry general category feel that their cutoff is less, but actual their competition is not with SCS. OBC's competition is not with SCST, or competition is not with SCST. If they will not get that much or reservation, if we do a survey, we get to know that there is a majority of portion is of
Yeah, Prachi, I agree with your point.
caste
That's why
in
Saurabh has
backward
said that the
areas,
reservation system
that
should be on the income
but
based
they
level.
don't give any. May I complete my point, please?
Yeah, completely.
But they do not get any recognition. In fact, uh, in economical basis also, if we see that on Independence Day is not, well, we got independence
Prachi, you are
in
just
this generation
repeating what
only.
all I've
So
said.
there's still many.
Yeah. Prachi, are you trying to say that
No,
the
I said
general
that
have more competition with the ST or
I was
SC?
saying that reservation is good.
I
At
think
least
the
till
point,
now, because
Prachi, I think
if reservation system is removed, then the recognition they were getting only 10% on SCST cutoff. Oh, reservation is only 10%, whereas general got almost 60% of reservation seats. But if we remove
Okay,
that,
Prachi,
then
please let me
they
know.
were
I
Please
think
let
the
me know.
student who are getting,
Prachi,
I
yes.
think
please
the
let me know
student
why
who are
there is no
getting good
reservation
marks.
system in a private organization. Just I want an answer from Prachi. Like why there is
Pardon?
no reservation system in some
Because they
private organization?
basically want the right person at the right job.
Because
Right.
Because
So
many
I
people can
think
afford
private
institutes.
in private case,
That's why
I
I
want
That is
think the
not
point is
that is not
about
actually
their
the point.
financial capability.
See, it's
I'm
not
not
But
talking
right
this,
about.
I want
now.
to
We are
answer
living
I
in
that
a
could
point.
add
society
a
where you
point to this,
don't.
Pardon?
that the private sector that you're talking about, they also generally prefer, if you see just the private sector, everything there is termed as expensive. Even for the general people who have a lower income,
Yes,
they also
exactly.
suffer from that
Of
exact
I
course,
thing.
the
agree
positive
So
with
the
I agree
government
with
has
that,
Prachi.
but
reservation
in
in
private,
the terms of
I
the
want to
category of
answer.
people as per their income also, like all of the reservations and acts that are employed, like the ESI Act for the medical benefits for everybody, from the blue collar to the white collar workers. It is based on the income basis. That's what I'm trying to say, that the correct act in the correct position and the correct reservation, like as per the basis of the income is better than the basis of caste. But seeing the India's history that has prevailed, and all kind of violence and all kind of discrimination that takes in the back end, it is said it is a back end, but it takes place completely in the society, and it is very, very relevant in many of the, even if you go to 3 tiers or 4 tier cities, it is very relevant there. We can see so many examples in the recent violence case, and how it is being tried to be covered up, and it is used as a political propaganda also. That's the main issue. Caste has been taken as in so many directions that the main issue which the provision was provided is not being met, because they are still not getting the benefits from them. But it is still being used as a political propaganda. It is still being used as a media
Ragi,
blow up
you
scenario.
are talking right thing, but I think like reservation should not be there. Like in foreign, we have seen like black and white, which is going on. So there should be a strict rule, like whoever like abuses a caste, or like some person regard with his caste, then he should be punished. There should be a rule for this, but there should not be a reservation
There
system
is also
on the basis
reservation
of caste.
outside
There
India
is,
for black people. In USA, you actually get
yes.
a sort of a reservation if you're coming from the area which is known as the red light area. They have demarcations around certain areas which were only for the black people. So if you come from that area, you get a reservation. And even there, this is an issue, that why are you giving the reservation?
Right.
Like
So I
And
think
reservation is
in
moreover,
just
one.
frowned upon in
when
every
India
country,
got
because it is
independence,
a divide that people do not like, this divide that is going on, because people are
yeah,
all
and
about
reservation
what
is
about our
something
rights. And
which is aiding to the divide. It will increase the divide. It can never reduce it.
I think
Reservation
the
but
will
caste
not be
divide
system is
a.
can't be
based
reduced,
upon the
because
mind.
in
It's the
our
mentality of.
capitalistic
But
society, the divide is already increasing. The poor are getting poorer, the rich are getting richer, and nobody's frowning upon that. So if you're talking about those kind of divides and reservations in that sector, also is not paying up. So caste reservation is there just for the basis that you are not just
It's just a
openly
political propaganda, nothing more
criticizing
than
them.
that.
Yeah,
It
it
was
is.
supposed to
That's
end
the
a long
reason why
time
it's still
ago.
there. It
It
can't be
was,
removed.
and if you actually read into the accounts of history for India, if we actually look at it, reservation was there as an appeasement policy. It was more of a I am sorry, nothing more than that. Because right now, if we see people who are getting the reservation, they are highly more economically stronger than the people who are actually struggling to get a good college or a good place. because I personally
I want to add
know
one
a
more
lot of
point.
people who get
In
this reservation so that they can get into an even higher position. Maybe they're not capable
I
of
want to
being
add
in such
one.
a higher place.
I want to add one point on Siddharth. That is true in history. In fact, B.R. Ambedkar also bring this caste system, the reservation system, but he said for a shorter time. When he said when the people become capable and strong, then that should be removed. But politicians made it for permanent basis. So it is
I don't
misused.
think it is our society has come to a point where we consider all the caste as equal. It's in the mentality.
I
So
will
that's
strongly
why I think
disagree to you
reservation
on
is.
this, Mahima. I will strongly disagree to you on this point because there will never be a point of equality. There will always be a point where someone is on a higher pedestal and someone is on a lower pedestal. You just have to accept that thing. Right now, we all come from different castes. We all come from different places. We are still sitting in the same scenario, and still we are not equal. Someone is getting a 1 Mbps speed. Someone is getting a 400k Mbps speed. You cannot say now provide everything to everyone. Venezuela did the same thing. They said everything for everyone. Right now they are sinking. This is a socialist
But
thinking that
but
Yeah,
everyone
these
should get.
things are in our
There's a
hands.
difference
These things
between
are in
equality
our
and
hands. But
equity. You
reservation,
cannot always just provide.
So instead of reserving certain seats for scheduled caste and tribe, we can give fair chance to everyone, and we can also provide help to the people who want any support or any financial support for the education for the potential candidate, and just not
Yeah, maybe
discriminate between.
you can have a separate exam for them and wherein they have to score a 90. Why does a person who
One
can
thing I
score
want to
only
add in
35
this,
Yeah.
get a place?
one thing I want to add is this: we always fight for that 10% seats for OBC and SC/ST and all, but we never see that if 10 people applied for any exam, then almost 5 to 6 seats were reserved for general category. We never say that if they not
How
get
is 6 or 5 reserved for
10% of,
general?
there
There
always
is
a
no reserved
ratio
seat for
It
for
general
is the
caste.
general.
breakup.
There is
Like
no
if you take
reserved
an
seat for
example for
general.
BHU, it is 15 for
There is,
general. Out of 20 seats, other 2 are reserved for OBC and other 3
yes.
are reserved
That's
for
a
In
SC/ST.
most
different.
of the
So it is
exam,
the
there is a
breakup.
bigger
That is a
ratio for general
demographic
category.
circle. You cannot compare that to this. If you are from Mumbai, you will get a higher chance in Maharashtra. That's a different thing. That goes on
In
demographic basis.
in
That is
fact,
like
due
for
to earlier
Himachal
caste
Pradesh, you
reservations,
can.
caste is,
That is not on caste. That is on
in
demographics.
fact, one
No,
thing.
she's saying right.
No,
It's
it
based
is
on the
on
caste.
caste. It is on
Yeah,
caste.
According
it
to
is
me,
Because
there
totally
Like the
must be a
government
reservation
colleges
based
system,
that
on
are the
caste.
central
but there must
universities,
be
they are
some up.
completely based on this performance only.
but that
The
is
exams
If
that
we
you're
talk
talking
about
about, like the
in
that
JEE
the,
is
in
and the
fact,
still based on demographics.
AIPMTs,
See, when
yes,
there is a college which is
It's
Aligarh
not based
Muslim
upon
University.
the area, Siddhant. It's based upon the caste. Like
No, no,
this much
it is
seats for
not.
general category. That's for SC, ST, and OBC.
There is
I
Aligarh
gave you the
Muslim.
and
example of
general
BHU, it's
ratio
still
is
there in
always
CU
higher.
also. It is
It
in
is there
Calcutta
in
University,
BHU.
it
It
is
is
in
there in. It is
Delhi
also there
University
in
also.
AMU. Muslim University gives a certain category of reservations to Muslim, not because they are just Muslim, because they belong to that demographic which was set when the foundation was built. It is not just because they are Muslim, because they were
Yeah,
the
but
majority
that's
in
It is
that
based.
yeah, that's
That's
demographic
the
AMU,
circle.
but
point.
totally at
that's
the
a
college's
that's
point of
separate.
view.
That's a separate thing.
Yeah.
That's not a separate
AMU
thing. It goes
can't be
for the
compared
AMU
with
If
and
how
we
NEET.
go with the
CU, DU,
majority,
and MUs are working.
How government
Like the
organizations are working is totally
state-driven
different
colleges
from
are
how a
working, they
particular
are
college
doing
is
it
working.
generally across all of the states. And they all have a reservation because it is government driven. As you said, it is a government
But
propaganda.
AMU
That's why
doesn't
it is
provide
found there
reservation on based on
extensively.
caste. You can check. AMU doesn't provide based on
AMU is
caste.
AMU is just a
That's what
part
we
of
are
it, but
saying.
it is not
Yeah,
the con.
that's what we
one
are
more
saying.
exam I can say,
Like
in
it is
any
a
design exam, if we
college, like it
go
is a
for
single
NI,
university which has a number of college, but we are talking about the state-based colleges. They have the entire college system under them. If not anonymous or if not autonomous,
Central
then they are
universities
available
or
otherwise.
state-based
But the
universities.
other central universities have the same pattern and near about the same breakup for the seats. So I'm just talking about that one. That thing is applied across our demography, and it is
majority.
irrespective of it's not these. It is there.
In
I
fact,
I
in
think
It's time to
NID
come
we
on
and
the
all are agreeing
conclusion
with this
point.
topic
If we
and should give an
Yeah.
individual
Yeah,
conclusion.
Conclusion of
conclusion.
this.
We can conclude
Yeah, it
this
should,
topic
we should conclude
one
this
by
topic.
one.
I
And
think.
now, at last, I would like to say, I think give fair chance on the basis of skills, score, rather than their last name, because skills and score are in the hand of the individual personality, but our last name were not in our hand of particular individual. That's all from my side.
According to me, there must be a reservation system, but this must be need to be updated. Like the reservation system must be done on the basis of income level. The person who need the most get the opportunity rather than for the person who has already economically strong in getting the opportunity.
Okay, so according to me, this reservation system is a hindrance to the development on the basis of caste system, but it should not be totally abolished. There need to be a reservation for the those students who are not having proper resources for education or belong to a backward class, backward areas. So uh, this was made based on this agenda only. So this should be there, but as Faiz said, there need to be there has to be is some amendments made for in this system. Thank you.
There is a thing in
According
this
I'd
to
like
me,
to
topic. I
con
just noticed it. It says like caste-based reservation is like stopping the casteless society, but I don't think removing the caste reservation will make a caste-free society. It will be there, but
Yes,
there
I
should
agree.
be a reservation on basis of income. Thank you.
according to me, the
agreeing.
outcast is
I'd like to
a
conclude by
byproduct of
saying
a
that
caste system. There will be an outcast as long as there are a caste. Nothing can emancipate the outcast except the destruction of the caste system.
I'll conclude
Hitesh,
by
I
saying
want to
that
know.
the given topic has always been taken as a circle. It has always gone in circles. This entire talk about caste picks up speed when it is coming out. The entrance exams are coming up, and we actually see the actual hindrance that people are facing. But a casteless society is not based on the reservation. It is based on our mentality, which has been coming up
Right.
for so many years that it is there completely ingrained. It is not just us, it is everything around us, and we try to change it, and we then see that the entire crowd is going with it, and we just keep our mouth shut. And it is just not this caste system, it is about even the income based system. If you go for the entire Muslim versus Hindu fight, it is all driven by some force, and we are just puppets in that scenario. We can't eradicate it anyhow.
According to me, fair chance should be given to every individual, whether they belong to general category or OBC, ST category, and support can be given to the people who want support as per the requirement, whether they want support financially or in the basis of education system, support can be provided.
I would like to say that
According,
caste based reservation should be ended at all cost, and moreover there is no actual need for a reservation system anymore. Maybe as Aisha said, we can have aid for the people who are economically weaker, but reservation might not be the only solution. We cannot always have liabilities that this thing needs to happen, thing needs to happen. And moreover, having caste is not bad, being casteist is really bad. So on that topic, I'll say caste can exist, but maybe caste-based reservation should not. Thank you.
according to me, I feel India is still not ready for casteless society, and even for financially base is also difficult because the generation has hampered earlier due to backwardness thought and the torture they have faced, due to which they are economically low, the backward caste. So there should be some new format should be made taking consideration all the factor caste, financial, income base, and all for fairer